Fine dust can damage tools, reduce air quality, and affect precision. Today, we're going over the best dust collection system for workshop from our top picks, Workshop, making proper extraction essential for cleaner, safer, and more efficient woodworking and fabrication tasks. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it.
Number 1. DEWALT DXV SC003 Dust Collection Workshop. The DEWALT DXV SC003 workshop system is a practical solution for maintaining a cleaner and more efficient workspace, especially for users dealing with heavy debris like wood chips, drywall dust, or metal shavings. Built around a stainless steel separator, this unit does an excellent job of trapping particles before they reach your vacuum, which helps maintain consistent suction and reduces the need for frequent filter replacements. Its 10-gallon capacity strikes a good balance between size and usability, allowing for longer operation before emptying while still being manageable. The four-caster base adds mobility, making it easy to move around a busy workshop without hassle. Compatibility is another strong point, as it connects seamlessly with most standard vacuum systems through its dual port size options. The materials feel durable and heat-resistant, ensuring long-term use even in demanding environments. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a serious DIY user, this dust separator offers a reliable way to improve efficiency, reduce maintenance costs, and keep your workspace noticeably cleaner. Number 2. WEN-DC1300 Dust Collection Workshop. The WEN-DC1300 Dust Collection Workshop system stands out as a powerful and high-capacity solution for serious woodworking environments. With an impressive airflow rating of up to 1,300 cubic feet per minute, it is capable of handling large volumes of dust and debris with ease. This makes it particularly suitable for workshops running multiple machines, especially since it supports dual 4-inch inlets for connecting more than one machine simultaneously. The 50-gallon collection bag ensures fewer interruptions during extended work sessions, which is a major advantage for professionals. Its 14-amp motor drives a steel impeller at high speed, delivering consistent and reliable performance across demanding applications. The inclusion of a mobile base with swivel casters adds convenience, allowing users to reposition the unit without effort. While it is larger than typical compact collectors, that size translates directly into better performance and efficiency. Overall, this unit is ideal for those who prioritize strong airflow, large capacity, and dependable operation in a busy workshop setting.
Number 3. DEWALT DXVS002 Dust Collection Workshop. The DEWALT DXVS002 Dust Collection Workshop system offers many of the same benefits as its larger counterpart, but in a more compact and space-friendly design. Featuring a 6-gallon capacity, it is ideal for smaller workshops or users who need a portable and efficient dust separator without sacrificing performance. It effectively captures debris before it reaches the vacuum, helping maintain strong suction while reducing wear on filters and extending their lifespan. This model handles a wide range of materials, from fine dust to larger debris, making it versatile enough for various applications. Its sturdy construction and heat-resistant materials ensure durability, while the anti-clogging design keeps the system running smoothly. Its 4-caster base provides easy mobility, allowing users to move it around their workspace as needed. Compatibility with common vacuum hose sizes makes setup simple and convenient. For DIY enthusiasts or professionals working in tighter spaces, this unit delivers reliable performance in a compact and easy-to-manage form. Number 4. POWERTEC DC5371 Dust Collection Workshop. The POWERTEC DC5371 Dust Collection Workshop system is designed with small workshops in mind, offering a compact yet capable solution for controlling dust. Its wall-mountable design helps save valuable floor space, making it a smart choice for hobbyists or professionals working in limited areas. Equipped with a 1 HP motor, this unit delivers solid performance with an airflow capacity of 560 CFM, which is sufficient for most single-tool operations. The included 1-micron filter bag enhances air quality by capturing fine dust particles, a feature that is particularly important for maintaining a healthier workspace. Its viewing window and zipper system make it easy to monitor and dispose of collected dust. Its vortex-based design improves airflow efficiency, ensuring better dust movement with reduced turbulence. Although it requires occasional maintenance to prevent clogging at the intake port, the process is straightforward. Overall, this collector combines space-saving design, reliable performance, and effective filtration in a well-balanced package.
Number 5. ExploreHorizon 750-Watt Dust Collection Workshop. The ExploreHorizon 750-Watt Dust Collection Workshop system is a dependable choice for users seeking a straightforward and efficient dust management solution. Powered by a 750-watt motor, it delivers consistent suction capable of handling both fine particles and larger wood chips commonly produced during woodworking tasks. This makes it especially useful for maintaining a cleaner work environment and protecting tools from dust buildup. Its design focuses on practicality with a structure that supports easy operation and quick maintenance, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. The unit is constructed from durable materials that provide long-lasting reliability, even with regular use. It also contributes to improved air quality by capturing airborne dust, which enhances overall comfort during extended work sessions. While it may not match the capacity of larger industrial systems, it offers a balanced combination of performance and convenience for small to medium workshops. For those looking for an affordable and effective dust collection option, this model delivers solid value. That wraps up the top 5 best dust collection system for workshop. Like, subscribe to the Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.